but deliver us.
Monkey with massive testicles!
You know, 朋友是一个
You have you know it came with your Xbox
这座城市的社区。
Oh my god. You have a king. Oh, dipshit.
罗斯福波斯
I don't think he is. You know.
Shut up. He is. You know.
莫妮卡和一些其他他妈
Fuck this. Obama.
Back up! What you about to do? Leave? Now leave, nigga!
Oh, I love your sense of irony, Patrick.
Thank you. I love my sense of ironing too.
Give me. Hold it. Give me. Hurry up. Come on. Bitch. This motherfucking hell. Bitch. Hey, stop dancing. Help me. Bitch. Help. Bitch. You gon' help. Help. Oh, damn, bro. This little bitch gon' let me. Oh.
That view was popular today, but you know, that's what I like. So, you know, I told the kid, it's not about what I have on my feet, it's about what I have inside my head.
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you out a bitch ass.
Joe Biden. Joe Biden. Joe Biden.
Oh, you're not exposing me, are you?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you better not post me on social media. Oh my god, I'm actually really sorry. Holy shit. I swear to god, I will get on my knee for BLM right now. I am so fucking sorry. I'll get on my knee right now. I am so fucking sorry. I'm so sorry.
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. W głowie myśli mam, kiedy skończy się ten stan, gdy już nie będę sam, bo wiedzie biały węgiel. Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koks.
Peter, this doesn't seem safe.
Yeah, I'm afraid I might.
combined feminine prowess, they'll be toast in no time flat.
Well, yeah, I suppose I wouldn't mind knocking Ash down a peg or two.
Let's blow those whining women back to the Dark Ages right where they belong!
今天看戏，墙上写着秦香莲的32岁了，装个当朝驸马郎的气质王啊，满皇上的会2岁了。
And the good Lord said, "Arise, my son!"
Obama.
I am going to say the key.
We're no Trump. You can say. That's
Tiananmen Square.
朋友是一个奸。
Oh my God. Obama.
Get out of here, Chop! Back home!
Oh, nigga don't hate me.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.